Hi, this is Gary Berger of Berger Law here with my client Tiffany. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thank you for doing this video with me.
No problem. Happy to do it.
So tell me about what was your experience with Berger Law?
So I was in an accident in September of 2018, and it was just a super traumatic experience. I didn't even know where to start, and I was hurt. I didn't know where to go, and actually one of your paralegals, Casey, told me to go ahead and head to the hospital and literally walked me through step by step as to what to do next. It was so simple and painless, and it was just honestly the best possible outcome for the terrible things that had happened.
Good. So you're on the highway, a car came across and hit you?
Across 3 lanes of traffic doing 70 miles an hour and hit me. I have a herniated disc in my neck and some issues with my knee that we were able to kind of help get worked through.
And we settled the case for the policy limits?
We did.
And then you are here today. We settled a little bit ago, right?
We did. It was probably a few months ago.
But then you're here to pick up another check because we were resolving some liens.
Yes.
Is it good to get the later money?
It is. It's a nice.
But the earlier money was more.
The earlier money it's definitely nice. But yeah, it was definitely a nice surprise. And I love that you guys literally fought for every single penny. It helped, by missing work, by not being able to, just do simple things with my kids, daily tasks, covered medical bills, and then some.
Well, exactly right. So not only do we try to get as much money in the front end as we can, insist on getting the full policy limits like we did in your case, but then after the case, we try to reduce the lien holders. So even if you have insurance, health insurance, and other stuff, you're going to have other bills, and everybody wants, money these days. So we try to work with those lien holders or those bill collectors to minimize that, so that when you walk away, we put as much money in your pocket, but you also don't have any debts to follow you.
Yeah, it's definitely been a nice peace of mind.
Isn't Casey amazing?
She has been from day one. Everything has been handled for me. I haven't had to worry about where to go, what to do. When I went to physical therapy, it was like, here's the closest place to your house. I have all your appointments set up. It was just phenomenal. I couldn't have asked for more.
I didn't have to do much.
Yeah. Yeah, she pretty much did the whole thing.
She did the whole thing. Well, we have a lot of folks that work with us, and Casey and I have been working together for 9 years now, she's great. She's amazing. I tell people that she writes complaints and legal stuff better than most lawyers. She knows her stuff, and she's on it. So we're grateful to have her. So, what was any question you had or a stress? What was your biggest thing in your head when you first started this that you were worried about?
I was worried about where to go and what to do. I wasn't sure how to go about going to the hospital or what those bills would look like. I wasn't sure when I got a bill, what I was supposed to do with it. And you guys just honestly, Casey gave me that peace of mind. She was like, send me everything. She set me up at the hospital. It was all just pretty much done for me. Step by step.
So what's the answer to your question? What do you do for the viewers out there? What do you do with the bills to answer your question? What do you do?
So, for your bills, I honestly just sent them straight over to Casey. I sent them straight in here. Anything that got sent to me afterwards, I just sent her. I didn't even send it in the mail. I took a picture of it and emailed it, and it was literally all done for me.
Yeah, so we want to know who your providers are, who it is, where you have bills from, because you go to an ER, you may have the doctor bill, the ER bill, the specialist bill, the prescription bill, the x-ray bill, the anesthesia bill. So you'll have different bills. So we figure out who your providers are, and then we request official copies of the records, and that can be a little bit of a pain. But we have systems, and we have people that do that. And then, so we just want to know who they are. And then a lot of those providers will put liens in the case or claims in the case so that after the case is over, we pay them, and then you walk away without owing anything. So, go get medical care. If you're injured, go get medical care. And then you do want to use your health insurance, but don't get care anyway. And then if you have problems finding providers and the kind of people the kind of doctors you need, we always steer you towards that too.
Yeah. And that's what she told me as well. She told me to go ahead and pick somebody I was comfortable with, that you guys could work with anybody. As long as I was happy, we could make it work.
That's how we do it. So would you recommend Berger Law?
10 out of 10, absolutely.
Awesome.
12 out of 10.
Good. All right, Tiffany. Thank you very much for doing this video.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.